Drop it.
Hi friend, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you that how do you make intro for free on Android. So first of all, download the Notex intro on the YouTube or Google. After downloading the no name or Notex intro, you download kinemaster from the Play Store, and I will open it and make a new project for you as an example, and I add my no text intro in this. My favorite, I have downloading already many intro from the Play Store or Google, so I will open, yeah, I will open it, and I will, yeah, next I play this intro. Yes, my target of this intro, and I will make a fantastic and beautiful font side in the pixlab, and I added this. I will make a simulation of all. Yes, so I decrease its size. My yes, yes. So I could color white color if you want, and setting city, yeah, font. I want to change the font to my branded channel name. Okay, yeah. Style is not stock. Wow, great. And click on this and don't have any changing on it. Yeah. So I go to here and transparent and make a PNGs of this file and save to gallery. After make pixel text from the, and I click here and make layer on it. Click on layer and add as picture in this pixel. So I add my first and making a solution of all things. Local. Yeah, here right. In animation, I made pop, fade, slide. Yeah, and